Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of health and wellness with a topic that's been gaining popularity for its numerous benefits: green tea. If you're a tea enthusiast or looking for a healthy beverage to incorporate into your routine, you're in the right place. Now, let's talk about incredible health benefits of drinking green tea. First up, green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants. It's loaded with polyphenol, particularly catechins, which help fight free radicals in the body. These antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases and aging. So, sipping on green tea can be a tasty way to give your body a boost of protective compounds. Studies suggest that regular consumption of green tea may contribute to a healthier heart. The antioxidants in green tea may help lower bad cholesterol levels and improve the ratio of good cholesterol to bad cholesterol. This, in turn, could reduce the risk of heart disease. So, make green tea a part of your daily routine for a heart-healthy lifestyle. Green tea contains compounds that have been shown to boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. Additionally, the caffeine content in green tea can act as a mild appetite suppressant. So, consider swapping your sugary drinks for a cup of green tea to support your weight loss goals. Green tea contains not only caffeine but also an amino acid called L-theanine. This unique combination can have a synergistic effect, enhancing brain function without the jittery feeling that sometimes comes with excessive caffeine intake. It may improve mood, reaction time, and overall cognitive performance. Some research suggests that regularly drinking green tea may help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The polyphenol in green tea may improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. And there you have it, 5 compelling reasons to start sipping on green tea today. Remember, while green tea offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and an active lifestyle for overall well-being. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content.